Hey guys, me Jai here in Gloucester Park with the Canadian geese. Wow, aren't they beautiful? Here, let me zoom in a bit. Oh, sorry, my finger going the way of the camera. Wow. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, some glare then from the sun. I'm going to go down a bit to get some close-ups. Wow. Yeah, these are the new geese from this year's eggs. They've just come off of Egg Island over there, across the lake. As you can see, there's no way for humans to actually get over there without a boat, and it's somewhat hard to get a boat here without the council noticing. So yeah, wow, aren't they lovely? Wow, look at them. The sun's just setting. Oh, a couple of seagulls. The sun's just setting on us. Oh, what's that? Oh, I think it's just a seagull. Yeah, lovely birds. Look at them all. Just moseying around. Oh wow, they're like going off into the sunset type thing there. Wow. If I come down a bit to the lake's edge. Wow. Oh look, a coot! Oh, there's two coots! Ah, they must be the main breeding pair in this park, because they're not with all the other coots. Because this year there was a load of baby coots. They must be the main breeding pair then. That's beautiful, that's lovely, that is. Wow, aren't they lovely creatures? Oh look, that's probably one of the males sticking his head up, being curious. Checking out the area, checking for dangers or food. More likely food, less sort of danger. Yeah, if I throw this at them, will they think it's food? Because I don't actually have any food. Oh, there we are. Look at them, aren't they lovely? Wow. They were following us. Isn't that wonderful? Having a bunch of geese following you across the lake. Oh look, there's a lone guy, a lone goose. Oh, I'm going to start picking up the pace. Look at them all, following us. Isn't that cute? What am I following us? Here. Yeah, they're used to when humans throw things in the lake, it being food. Oh look, these ones are coming over as well now. Lovely, lovely, absolutely wonderful. Okay, I'm going to start picking up the pace. Oh, look at them all. Lovely birds. Aren't they lovely? Wow. All following us as well. Bit scary, but oh well. Just let me take a couple pictures. Lovely. Lovely, wow. Nice blue water as well today. Be free, my little birdies. Go now. Be free.